One of the most impactful elements of design is the use of photography. Photography sets the tone for a design piece. The way we crop our images can change the viewer's focus, as well as changing our moods. A photo with unique angles and subject matters can make opportunities to use that to our advantage, with headlines that seem to interact with our photos. Photos that draw your eye toward a call of action or a headline are ones to look out for. Photos that seem to work together with typography and headlines work really well in advertising and design. This example, using top-down photography, gives us a chance to use the white or blank space inside the photo as a way to draw the viewer's eyes onto the important content and text. It also provides unique areas to place our content that would otherwise be plain or boring. A vivid and colorful photo can add so much to a dull design. Going from full color to black and white can have its own dramatic effect, changing the tone from typical to intense. Adding a single tone or a duotone color can increase this dramatic effect. This popular effect is often seen in Instagram filters. This is a great example of this effect in action in a full-page ad I designed. Using that purple single-tone shade against this bluish green really adds a nice contrast between the design and the photo. A full-color photo used in this case might distract the user from an otherwise more powerful product photo we want the user to focus on. We want our photos to give the user an emotional response, either be it positive, negative, calming, or energizing. Your photo choice makes a huge difference on whether the overall emotional impact of your design will work with your desired purpose for your design, to see a product or to motivate a call to action. If a strong emotional response is required, then cropping can help us achieve that response. Simply zooming in close on a human face can change the way we interpret that subject. Our photo choice can take what would be an ordinary image and make it much more extraordinary and attention-grabbing. We can find color inspirations in the photos we choose for our design, setting the tone for a nice color palette and harmony in our design, branding, and even logos. So how will you use photography in your future designs?